Yeah, for this summer, we have 6 classes of Tai Chi class. And so I'm gonna, each time I'm gonna introduce one of the channels starting and or ends with a hand. There are 6 channels, so perfectly each time we'll introduce one channel. And with the major or the major points that often get congested, so we're gonna doing the exercises for those points, 2 or 3 each time, and the purpose is to open up the channel flow, the energy, so keep the energy flow smoothly. Today we start from the long channel. The long channel, yeah, just by name, it's the main function is for the breathing issues, or for the nose issues, for the throat issues. They're all related to the long channel. So oftentimes that's in the Chinese medicine. When you're doing acupuncture or acupressure, you're going to use those points. Let me see, you can see me like this. Okay. Yeah, the long channel on the hand starts from from your chest. I'm gonna just go through quickly the channel path, and then I'm gonna tell you what to do today. So starting like long number 1 and long number 2, and go on to the forearm, 3, long 4, and long 5, long 6, long 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. There are 11 points on the long channel. And today we're gonna do 2 points. One is on the hand, is the long 10, and the second point is the long 6. You can do this, especially the long 10, you have a sore throat, things like that. It's very helpful. So how to find that point? Again, it's on both hands. So we're going to start from the right hand. You see this bone here, right? And halfway of that bone, and just right off the bone into in between the bone and your muscle here. So that's the point. Use your thumb, whichever way. Yeah, I just want to show that point, like hold on to that point with your thumb. Normally I would, I feel like this way is easier, but show you like this side is like this. So on yourself, you do it like this. It's more relaxed on the right hand, and then the left hand is easy to press right on your point. So yeah, again, we're gonna do 32 points together. I'm gonna count. You press and make small circles on that point. And you can move a little bit around to see where is the more tender. That will be your point. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the other side is the same. Find this bone from like the end of your thumb and until the wrist, and halfway right off the bone towards the palm side, and between the bone and the muscle there. You normally it's a tender point, so yeah, you can move around a little bit to find your tender points in this area. Okay, yeah, find that point, and then use a relaxed position on your left hand, and the right thumb on it. We'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's long 10. Next, we're gonna do the long 6. On your forearm, on the same side as your palm, and between your elbow wrist crease and your wrist crease, this is, if you divide it by 12, you're gonna go from the elbow side 5 portion. So basically, easy way to find this, and the point is between, you see this point in the middle of your arm, forearm, you know, where the bicep tendon insert, and just right off that tendon, start that between that point and between your, at the end of your wrist, just off, you know, above your wrist. Imagine there's a line. So this is the long channel, the channel. And then to find that point, you can just, you know, make it halfway first and then go a little bit above. That will be your long 6 points. So again, imagine there's a line here, and at that point, first find that halfway, like in between, and then move up a little bit. So that will be a 5th out of the 12. And again, use your thumb. Find that point. Again, you can just, you know, move around a bit, see where is a little more tender. Basically, that is, if you imagine this, if you see this is kind of the center, this is on your thumb side, not on the center, but on your, towards the right, the thumb side. So find that point. We'll do 32 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the left side. Yeah, on the palm side of the arm, and imagine a point connecting the points from right off your bicep tendon towards the thumb side, right off there. So that's starting point there and ends like here. That's a long channel. So along this line, if you divide it by half first, so that's a, and then move up a little bit, that will be your long number 6. And use your thumb. You can just, you know, around this area, you'll find that tender point. Oftentimes it is a tender point. If not, that's fine. Yeah, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 2 points, if you have, if you already feel that's tender, that's a really good point for you to work on that. You know, you don't have to work it very long, just like, you know, 32 times, say twice a day, something like that. Or, you know, you can do it until you feel more comfortable, because sometimes when it's very congested, it might be pretty tender. So yeah, like your coughing, the, you know, the nose issue, the throat issues, you can all check on your long channel. That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, Shin.
You're welcome. My pleasure.